Hello, my brothers and sisters. Welcome on today's topic, which is about Google Forms, but especially how you can use Google Forms to correct the data. So let's get started by simply opening a web browser. My web browser is Google Chrome. I have to open it. So once I open my web browser, such as Google Chrome, but before I have to make sure that my computer is connected to the Wi-Fi or any other network, and I have to make sure that I have signed in my Google account. So once I'm done with signing it in my Google account, I have to click on this Google app and I scroll it down and I look for Google Forms like this. So once you click there on Google Forms, it will be opened like this and you click on blank form. Once you click on blank form, it will be opened like that. You have to give the title to your form. Let me suppose that I want to correct the data of participants in the training, which is concerning with the lunch consumption. Maybe we attended the trainings and you have to consume our lunch there, and I'm given the task of preparing um, like a survey which can correct the data of every participant, but concerning with the consumption, either food or drinks. Let me add the title of this, and I give the name like ranch consumption. Lunch consumption. I can put the date, the first, May 2024 trainings. Once you write the title like this, you can select it and you click there, and you can select this title and you bold it, and you can even put it in italic. So I can put this is the first section. This is the first section which is which is containing the title of the form. So the second section is this. The second section is the identification, because before choosing the daily consumption of the food or drinks, he or she has to identify him or herself. So in this section of identification, I can put the question like type type your name here. Type your name here. The answer will be text. So this is the second section. I can put the third section here. Okay, the third section is is drinks. Sorry, is food. In this section, I can add the question and I ask to choose the desired food according to the available type or available kinds of food. Choose or select the desired, or select your favorite. Select your favorite food. In this case, I will list all available food. For example, there is uh, For example, there is cassava and the beans. For example, there is nyama choma. Nyama choma. For example, there is melange. For example, rice, beans, and two meats. I remind you that you list available food there because you cannot list what you don't have. And even also let me put the fifth option like yes, Agatogo. Okay, let me stop by there. This is the third section, which is including the food. Then the next section is drinks. Drinks. Drinks like that. Then the question there, the question. The question is select. Let me copy this and I paste it here. Select your favorite drink among the available drinks. Okay. In this case, but the type of this question is multiple choice. He or she has to choose one option. Here in drinks, let me use check boxes because he or she can choose different kinds of drinks. That's why I use the check boxes. The first one, this in this case, I have to list all available drinks we have. So water, um, Amstel, Fanta, juice, juice, uh, Heineken, um, Score, and even. Okay, let me stop by here. Suppose that this is those are the available drinks. He or she have to choose one of them. So suppose that I'm done with listing the things we have, but don't forget to prepare the settings here. It is not a quiz, but here in a presentation, but in responses, correct email address, do not correct, okay. Limit to one response, okay. Um, for example, because they are mature people, they have to have an email account. That's why I have to choose this limit to one response. Okay, the respondents will be required to sign in to Google because I limited them to submit main responses. This means that every participant will choose or will fill this form once. About presentation, the confirmation message. Thank you for fulfilling this form. Thank you for fulfilling this form. Save. This is the message that they will give him or her once he or she is done with completing the form. From IT Methodist. Server. Okay, save. And here from default, let me just see. Correct email addresses by default. Okay, it's not necessary to correct their emails. Okay, and here make this questions required by default. Once this is turned on, he or she won't be able to skip any question. Okay, I think it's that. And I can even customize my theme. Customize the theme. In customize the theme, you have to change the font of your things, which are your characters, which makes your Google form. Once I click on customize the theme header, my headings is written in Roboto font. I can choose, for example, I can choose this Times New Roman, or here I have many fonts that I can choose. I can choose Pacifico, like that. Size is 24. Questions, let me choose. Questions will be in which font? For example, in Times New Roman, questions size 17. Okay. Then about the text, let me choose this font, Lola, this one, this. Lola, size 12. Okay. Then the colors, I have to choose the color here. I have to choose the color accordingly. And even header image, the image which will display on the top of my Google form. Here I have different categories. The header which is concerning with Google and work and school, illustrations, birthday, food and dining. Remember that I'm preparing a Google form which is concerning with lunch consumption. That's why I have to choose here the category of food and dining, and I choose the the header according to my desire. Let me choose this. Let me choose this one, showing people taking the lunch. Insert. Okay, you see the header is inserted there. And those are the colors. I can even choose also the colors again. So I think I'm done with preparing my Google form, which is about how I can correct my data. So the next is to share my Google form to the participants in the meeting or in the trainings. I have to click here on publish. Responders manage here. General access. Let me choose here. Anyone with the link will have the access. Anyone with the link will have the access. Responder view. Okay, anyone with the link. Okay. Okay, I think it is that. So once you click on done, you have to click on publish. Once you click on publish, once you click on publish, uh, you will get the link. You will get the link that we provide to the participants. Once you click on this published, you will copy the responder link here. Once you click on copy responder link, you see this link is very long. You can click on this small square to shorten the link like that. So you can even also copy the link and you go and you paste everywhere. You can paste on WhatsApp. You can paste on the link on the WhatsApp group that contains the participants. You can share it one by one so that everyone will be able to fill it and you get the responses and you print the responses accordingly. We shall see that. So let me suppose that I'm one of the participants. I will type the link there and I run that. This is the first section, which is including the title, the header, and the title of the form. I click on next. Once I click on next, they will give me have to identify myself, have to type the name. Let me suppose that the participant is called Korode. Next. Once he click on next, he has to choose the desired food. Nyama choma, yes. Next, then drink um, water and the Fanta. Then submit. Okay, this is the first respondent. The second one, let me suppose that let me use another Google account because I have to submit my form once. Okay, let me use another Google account. Let me use another Google account to fulfill this. Okay. Okay. Next, I have to identify myself. For example, my name is Eric. Next, then I have to consume melange. Next, I have to consume here juice. Submit. Okay, another one is Z. For example, another one is Z. For example, another one is Patrick. The name is Patrick. Next, he has to consume this. Next, and this stay submit. So everyone will fulfill this form, and for me, as mastermind of this form, I have to go on my server here. I have to go on my server and I see the ones who respond to my link and I see what they chose and I can print it on the paper. Once I'm serving my people, I can use that paper including what everyone is going to consume. So once I go on my server where I prepared my things, I will see this questions where I have prepared my questions and I have to see responses. Here, to analyze my responses in a simple way, I have to link my responses to Google Sheets. Here, link to Google Sheets, create new, and I wait. Another new tab is going to be opened but containing the data that I have to use. So here, those are the responses. You see Claude, Ulrich, and Patrick. Once I am having many people who fulfill the form, I will be having many people here and what they will be consuming. So I can download this data in my Excel and I print it on the paper that I will be using to serve my people who will be attending the trainings. So you can go on file. You can even print here, print. You see, this is a print preview that you can use and you print your data on the paper. Okay. And also you can even download these things or this information here, download, and you will be downloading an Excel and Microsoft Excel file, which can even, let me put it here. Let me put it here. This is an Excel file that can be downloaded. You see, this is an Excel file that can be also downloaded as my things or my data. Okay, enable editing. And I can even print my things. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, my friends. I hope this course helped you too much and will be using it in your daily activities. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Remember to make a subscription, like, comments, and share. Thank you very much. See you. God bless you.